name is Dr. Mikhail Cannula. I am Australian registered doctor and I would like to welcome you to our clinic.
Hello, welcome to the Dr. Mikhail Clinic. My name is Tiff Beeman, podiatrist and registered nurse. Today, Dr. Mikhail is going to be demonstrating the cannula technique for full face rejuvenation with dermal fillers. For those of you who are new to this, the cannula technique is being used more widely now as it causes less trauma, less bleeding and creates an overall better experience for the patients.
So Dr. Mikhail was very considerate of what my wants were throughout the treatment. He paused to show me what the results were and also just making sure that that was in line with what I wanted to achieve. And I feel completely natural in the result I've had today.
Dr. Mikhail is preparing our model Mary for her full face rejuvenation with dermal fillers using the cannula technique. This involves administration of a local anaesthetic to ensure a pain-free experience for Mary. All treatments at the Dr. Mikhail Clinic are preceded by a comprehensive assessment and consult.
Can I ask you, what's your major concerns? What would you like to improve?
The temples at the moment.
Temples? You'd like to volumize them? Anything else?
And I'm very flat across the forehead, I guess.
Alright, anything else?
You can tell me what you think of. I know the tear troughs are bad, but tear troughs are pretty bad.
Nasolabials? Marionette lines?
Yeah, not great, not fantastic. Whatever you think.
After consulting with Mary, Dr. Mikhail suggests using filler to add volume to her lower face and nasolabial folds. He then recommends filling the indentations in her temple. These areas are typically affected by the aging process, but can be easily corrected with injection of fillers by a skilled practitioner.
Alright, just relax for a second. Sure. Let's talk about what we need. We need a little bit anesthetic because of large area. Let's have 2 sachets.
Here, Dr. Mikhail administers local anaesthetic to ensure Mary is comfortable throughout the procedure. The local anaesthetic we use also contains adrenaline, which further reduces the risk of bleeding and bruising, and it means that Mary can walk out immediately after the procedure looking completely natural. Now, moving on to the upper face, Dr. Mikhail is using the same local anaesthetic to anaesthetise the upper part of Mary's face so that any fillers that are required in this area are done completely pain-free. So moving forward, Dr. Mikhail is now using local anaesthetic to block out the mid-face area, primarily under the eyes and cheeks, to ensure that Mary again has a pain-free experience when using dermal fillers for the mid-face. Here, Dr. Mikhail is testing both sides of Mary's face to test the effectiveness of the anaesthetic. As you can see, Mary is experiencing no pain whatsoever, which means we are okay to go with the procedure.
So initially Dr. Mikhail gave me some dental block around my mouth and around the areas he would treat up at the temples, and that really blocked out all the nerves, so the treatment was completely pain-free and very comfortable.
Dr. Mikhail is about to use dermal fillers on Mary for a full face rejuvenation. All the fillers that we use at the Dr. Mikhail Clinic are pre-packaged and approved by the TGA. With the cannula, and using the same injection point he used for administering the local anaesthetic, Dr. Mikhail injects the dermal filler into Mary's nasolabial folds to create volume to the lower part of her face. Now Dr. Mikhail angles the cannula downwards so that he can use the dermal filler to fill Mary's marionette lines. The marionette lines are the lines at the corners of the mouth and are typically associated with the aging process. Now, Dr. Mikhail repeats the process on the right-hand side of Mary's face to ensure a symmetrical appearance.
You can always stop up.
Thank you.
Dr. Mikhail then massages the filler into Mary's face to ensure it is distributed evenly.
The same on the left side. Oh, this.
Dr. Mikhail is now using filler to volumise Mary's temples, as this was the area that Mary expressed concern about earlier on in her consultation.
This straight up manner, this stretch the skin and volumize the whole area. Less damage, because if any, again it's from here to here with the
Dr. Mikhail finishes the procedure by massaging Mary's face where he's injected the filler. Mary is now going to have a fantastic and completely natural result. Okay, so today at the Dr. Mikhail Clinic, Dr. Mikhail has demonstrated dental blocks and then use of a cannula to use dermal fillers to do a full face rejuvenation.
I guess if you were going to go and get fillers or you were thinking about it, I'd definitely say that it'd be worth doing. It was completely comfortable and I feel so much happier in myself when I've looked in the mirror after the treatment. It's just been a very positive experience and very comfortable, so I wouldn't hesitate to have the treatment done if I was thinking about it.
Yeah, thank you very much for watching our videos, and for more information you're welcome to visit our website Dr. Mikhail.